Okay, Mauro, a lot of drop cloths on the shelf at the home center. We got to pick the right one for the paint job. What do you think? We going with canvas straight up?
Well, if you go into canvas, this is what we don't use. Painters usually don't do this. They usually we can use for prep work, but most of the time what we're using is this one here, Kevin. It's canvas backed. It has a plastic here. Even if we have like a paint accident, it won't go to the surface.
So we like canvas because it can absorb spilled paint, but you like it backed so that the paint doesn't go all the way through and ruin the carpet or the floor.
Just want to make sure that we have no accidents at all.
All right, so with no backing, just for the scrapings and the prep.
Absolutely.
Well, what do you got here?
Well, this one is also a canvas, but it has this product that sticks to the floor and is good for staircase and cabinet.
Oh yeah, like little rubber nubs, huh?
Yeah, that won't slip.
So I go to the home center, I haven't seen that, but when I see these things, I'm thinking, man, that's expensive. And the plastic here, even the thick stuff, this is a lot cheaper.
Exactly, but we use only this for outside. We use it for cover plants and shrubs. Pack up at the end of the day, throw it away.
You don't use this on the ground when you've got a ladder and you're working outside?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
It's slippery.
Okay, slippery. So outside for the thick stuff?
Yeah, that's
does
4
that
mil.
mean that's what?
That's 4 mil.
4 mil?
Yeah.
And then so does that mean that the thin stuff you use inside?
The thin stuff is the stuff that I like to use to cover furnitures and cover everything inside the room when it's furniture in.
So this is for covering, again, not underfoot.
Not underfoot, absolutely not.
What about the big blue guy here? Do
Okay,
you guys
big
use
blue
these?
guy is excellent to use on the exterior projects. When you're scraping the house, a heavy scraping, you tied up that on the wall and everything that falls into the stop, put it in a trash bag, you can clean it, you can wash it, and it will be ready for many other projects.
But don't use it when you're actually doing the painting on the exterior.
On the floor, absolutely nothing.
The things I don't know. Paper?
Paper. I like to use this paper. Once we paint a room with lots of baseboards, I like to run the layer paper all along the baseboards, and then I'll leave like 4 or 5 inches off, and I still put my drop cloths on top of it.
So canvas on top of the paper, and you're using this because you want a nice tight line that you can cut
nice,
to?
crisp line that's like, make it cool, beautiful.
Well, I now know what brush to pick and obviously what drop cloth to use too.
You know which drop cloth to use, interior and exterior.
Thank you, Mauro.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.